Hi there, my name's Louise and I'm a singer-songwriter and children's entertainer and music teacher. I absolutely love children and I love helping them become the better version of themselves. Being confident is a really important part of music and singing. So being confident is something that I like to excel in children and also adults. I also love to write music and help children write music because they can then express themselves in poetry and in English, and then it becomes a story and then a song, and I love to help people have that expression for that song. So I'm really excited about this group, Growing Heroes. I think it's going to be absolutely amazing to meet with different people and helping them along the way and become very happy with who they are. So in my private life, I like to do running, I like to do sports, lots of different activities like badminton, I love kickboxing, I love Zumba, I love dancing. Anything related to music I really love. And I also love reading, so I don't really have time to read, so what I do is I listen to audiobooks while I go running, and the audiobooks I like to listen to are things like to stop me from procrastinating, so like self-development and about how to be my own cheerleader and things like that. So I love that. I love cooking, I love making my own recipes, I love making videos with my daughter, doing sort of acting videos, I love doing that sort of thing. And I also really like making clothes because I don't believe that you need to follow fashion. I like to create my own fashion, so I like to do that. I also like making jewellery. So there's lots of things I like to do in my spare time when I have it, but my main passion in life is music and also helping people become the best version of themselves and being happy. So I can't wait to meet you all. I can't wait to enjoy this wonderful group with you all, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care everyone. Bye.